Hello, my name is Srinivas Rao. I am a Python trainer. I have 20 years of experience both teaching as well as development experience. In this session, we will discuss about match case. In previous video, we have discussed conditional statements if else, if else, nested if else, and in this session we will discuss about match case. So, what is match case? Python match case. Python match case is just like a switch case in other language like C, C++, Java. Same like switch case in other languages, we have Python match case. So, we will see what is match case. So, for developers who are coming from other languages like C, C++ or Java, there was a conditional statement known as switch case, right. This match case is switch case of Python, which was introduced in Python 3.10. Before 3.10 version, there was no match case. They used to write everything in if else block. But after version 3.10, now we have done everything with match case. So, here we have to first pass a parameter, then try to check with each case the parameter is getting satisfied. If find a match, we will do something, if not, we will do something else. Okay? We will see the syntax first. Syntax, understanding syntax is very important. So, here this is a syntax of match case. See, this is a variable, this is variable, okay, and it will match with this var1, case var1. So, first this variable it will check the value of var and var1. If both are matching, then it comes to first block, it will execute this block when both are matching var and var1. If both are matching, it will execute this block. For example, if it is not matching, what happens? Then again it will come to var, it will check with var2. It will compare var with var2. If both are matching, then it will execute second block, this block. Okay. For example, if it is not matching, again it will compare var with var_n. If again both are matching, var and var_n matching, then it will execute this block. When var and when are matching, it will execute this block, var_n block. For example, if it is not matching, for example, var1, var2, var_n, it is not matching. This is not matching, these three blocks are not matching, these three var1, var2, var_n are not matching, then the control jumps to this block called case __. If it is not matching var1, var2 and var_n, so directly jumps to case __, and it will execute the last block, just like a else block. It is like a else block in if condition. It jumps to the case __, block. Okay? We will see this example. Practically we will see this example. So, what I will do? I will go to PyCharm. We will go to PyCharm and we will write one program, and the program is for example, vowels and consonants. Okay? We have vowels and consonants, right? Consonants, and what are vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are B, D, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, not U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, these are called consonants in English, and these are called vowels. So, for example, my input is, we will write one program, my input is for example, suppose example O. So, my expected output should be O is OL, is OL. If my input is O, for example, if my input is K, for example, if my input is K, it should print K is consonant. This is our program, okay? Consonant. This is our program, right. So, we will come to PyCharm. We will come to PyCharm. What I will do first, I will declare one variable, for example, my input. My input is, I declared one variable, I will assign one value, for example, O, and my expected output is O is a OL, okay. So, we will narrate now the syntax match my input, indentation and next case, okay. So, there are 5 cases, one is A, I, O, U. Case A, if it is matching, then it should print A is OL. So, what will be here? Variable name is my input, comma, in double quotes or single quotes, is a variable, OL, is a OL. So, what I will do? I will copy this, I will paste for E, I, O and U, Control C, come here, Control V, Control V, Control V and Control V, okay. Now, I will make changes here, I will put E here, AE, I, O, U, okay, right. And the last case underscore underscore, case underscore underscore. If it is if all are not matching, then it should come to underscore underscore, and we should put what? My input is a consonant, right. My program is done. Now, I will run this program, okay. I will run this program. Now, we will see the output. My input is O. Now, if my input is O, and the output is what? O is OL. Okay. Now, we will do one more. We will check with one more. For example, my input is I. If my input is I, and we will see the expected output. The expected output is I is a OL. Okay. Now, we will test with another one. For example, Z. If my input is Z, and my expected output is Z is a consonant. So, what we will now? We will debug this program. So, if you want to debug, put a breakpoint here at line number 3, because the main logic starts from line number 3. So, single click here. So, when you click single clicks, one red color circle will come here. Yes. Now, from here we will debug. So, I will click on this bug icon. There is one bug icon here. See here. One bug icon here, and we will click on this bug icon. So, the debugging is started means this program control, this blue color line is program control, okay, and I will click on this step over. What is my input? What my input is Z here, see here Z. So, it comes to line number 4. Yes, it will compare my input with case A, both are not matching. Z, my input Z and my case is A, it is not matching. It jumps to line number 6, it will ignore this line 5 because it is not matching. So, it comes to line number 6. Yes. Now, again it will compare my input Z with case E, this is also not matching, it comes to line number 8. Yes, it came to line number 8. Now, again it compare Z with I is not matching. So, again it will skip this line number 9, it jumps to line number 10. Again it will compare my input Z with O, case O, this is also not matching, okay. It comes to line number 12, see again it is not matching, this my input is Z and I am comparing with U, it is not matching, then jumps to line number 15. Yes. Now, this is now it is not matching. So, it came to underscore underscore, it will come to line number 16 and finally it prints consonant. Finally prints Z is a consonant. We will do one thing, we will debug one more time, but this time what I will do here, I will give U or O only, we will take O only. O only, my input is O and I put a breakpoint at line number 3, again we will debug. So, click on this debug icon, right, my input is O, okay. It will come to first case, the first case is what? Case A matching, it is matching with O? No, it is not matching. So, it will ignore this line number 5, it comes to line number 6. Again it is comparing O with E, it is not matching, it comes to line number 8. Again it is not matching O with I, so it will ignore this line number 9, it jumps to line number 10. Now, my input is O and case is O, both are matching. If both are matching, it jumps to, in this case, O block, that is line number 11. Please click on like button if you like the video and subscribe to our channel.